Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations.
Introducing the DEWALT 4-port fast charger, your ultimate charging solution. This powerhouse charges 4 batteries at once, eliminating the hassle of multiple chargers. With an impressive 8 amp output per port, you can fully charge 4 9 amp hour XR flex volt batteries in just 75 minutes or 4 12 amp hour batteries in 100 minutes. Need portability? The DEWALT 4-port fast charger easily mounts onto tough system kit boxes for effortless storage and transport. Plus, it features a convenient cord wrap for safe storage and a mounting point for a Tool Connect tag. Perfect for keeping track of your inventory with the Tool Connect app. Screw mounts make it easy to hang and store. Get ready to power up and keep working with the DEWALT 4-port fast charger.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.